Data, DNN, deep neural network, and Python library is the key to data analysis and prediction. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. Data analysis and prediction are essential components of many fields, and deep neural networks, DNNs, and Python libraries play crucial roles in making these tasks possible. Let's explore each of these elements. 1. Data. Data is the foundation of any data analysis and prediction task. It can come in various forms, such as structured data, example databases, unstructured data, example text and images, or semi-structured data, example XML and JSON. Collecting, cleaning, and preparing data is a fundamental step in the data analysis process. 2. Deep neural network, DNN. DNNs are a class of artificial neural networks with multiple layers, usually more than 3, between the input and output layers. They have become a powerful tool for data analysis and prediction, particularly in fields like machine learning and artificial intelligence. DNNs are used for various tasks, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and predictive modeling. Training DNNs. DNNs are trained using large datasets and optimization algorithms to learn patterns and relationships within the data. The learning process involves adjusting the weights and biases of the network to minimize the prediction error, example in supervised learning tasks. 3. Python libraries. Python is a popular programming language for data analysis and machine learning due to its simplicity, vast ecosystem, and numerous libraries. Some key Python libraries for data analysis and prediction include NumPy, for numerical operations and handling arrays. Pandas, for data manipulation and analysis, especially with structured data. Matplotlib and Seaborn, for data visualization. Scikit-learn, for machine learning, including regression, classification, clustering, and model evaluation. TensorFlow and PyTorch, for building and training deep neural networks. Keras, a high-level API for building neural networks, often used with TensorFlow. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, and SpaCy, for natural language processing and text analysis. In practice, the data analysis and prediction workflow in Python often involves the following steps. 1. Data collection, gathering relevant data from various sources. 2. Data pre-processing, cleaning, transforming, and preparing the data for analysis. 3. Data exploration, exploring the data to understand its characteristics and relationships. 4. Feature engineering, creating relevant features for predictive modeling. 5. Model building, building DNN models, or other machine learning models, to make predictions or classifications. 6. Model training, training the models using the prepared data. 7. Model evaluation, evaluating model performance using various metrics. 8. Model deployment, deploying the model for making predictions in real-world applications. Python, with its rich ecosystem of libraries, provides a versatile and efficient environment for performing data analysis and prediction tasks, and DNNs are a powerful tool for tackling complex and high-dimensional data. It's important to note that successful data analysis and prediction require a combination of domain knowledge, data expertise, and the right tools and methodologies. Thank you.